Right now I am at Sylhet, Bangladesh, one of the most beautiful city known for its natural beauties. As you can see behind me is amazing views, and I will be exploring like these views for next few days. So what we will be seeing? We will be seeing natural beauties, mountains, the border, the Bangladesh border with India. As you can see, that mountain, that hills, it actually belongs to India. But here I am standing in Bangladesh, and this is, as you can see, some amazing beauties. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna explore the whole Sylhet. I'm going to go Jaflong and then all other places, take some shots with my phone, and also use my drone to take some views. And let's go and explore the beautiful Sylhet, Bangladesh.
I don't wanna fall in love, I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love, I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love, 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 fall in love. I don't wanna fall in
The thing about Sylhet is the border with India. If you guys know about Bangladesh and India, they are two neighboring countries, next door neighbor. And this is the point, this is called Tamabil 0 point. That means that's the gate you can see behind me is actually the 0 point. So border with India, just cross it, you will see India, and then this side is Bangladesh. So if you want to go to India, you would need visa. I mean, maybe for some countries there is honorable visa or something like that, but I'm not sure if you can actually cross the border from here. Maybe not, maybe yes. I had been to India before and I went through another route. This is because Bangladesh and India is actually next door neighbor in a way that Bangladesh is pretty much surrounded by India in three sides almost. So India is a huge country compared to Bangladesh, but the amazing thing about it is that you can see these two countries separated by the border, a gate. A few of the BJB, the border guard is staying over there and checking out if there is any illegal trespassing or not. Okay, so that's the amazing part about it. Here's another example how Bangladesh and India are so close when it comes to the border. This part right here I'm standing is of course Bangladesh. Behind me, the part of India is called Assam. Assam is also quite popular destination among tourists. Now, one thing for people who are quite low in world knowledge and general knowledge, Bangladesh and India is actually separate country. It's not the same country. I have come across to many Westerners calling themselves highly educated, zero knowledge about the world. That is India, this is Bangladesh. Bangladesh, India, two different separate countries, not same. Right now I am at Jaflong, Sylhet, Bangladesh. Jaflong is one of the popular destinations at Sylhet. The thing is, you must remember one thing before coming here at Jaflong. That is, come when it's a bit rainy, maybe probably after the place has some water. Because just right now it's just post winter and this place is kind of dried up and it doesn't look good as much it would during that rainy season. So come when there are plenty water, so the sceneries and everything looks far better. My second day exploring Sylhet, one of the most beautiful city place in Bangladesh. Right now I am at Bolaganj, Sada Pathor. If I translate it, it would be white stone. So this area is called white stone. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a boat. Not me, I'm with my friends. We're gonna take one boat and then we'll go through this river behind me, as you can see. Normally in the rainy season it might be much more beautiful because of the much more water and all those things, but right now as you can see the sun is up, it's still hot and the place is pretty nice, but the thing is it can be hectic and busy because a lot of tourists is coming to explore the city. I had told you guys before, if you are an explorer, if you like to travel to exotic places, then the Bangladesh, the Sylhet, Cox's Bazar, my previous videos, as you can go through that, it will be really nice place to visit. So if you want to come to Sylhet, what you have to do, you have to come first in Bangladesh. Sylhet also has an airport, and then you can come to the Sylhet airport, book a hotel or resort. You will find really good quality resource through booking.com or wherever, and then maybe hire a car. What we have done, we also took a car per day, 4,000 taka we are paying for a car. On top of that, of course, paying for gas and or oil or something like that. So that's the thing. Today we are going through this river, taking a boat. This is a Sylhet, Whitestone, Bolaganj, and we also been to Jaflong on our first day. And let's go and let's see and explore the place tonight.
Running back to my old life, but it leaves it burning. Speaking tongues in my head, yeah, that's the way you want it. She called me baby, you're not wasting time. But how could I let her go? Don't you know I'm out of door?
This is the exact place, Whitestone, Sylhet. The place of stones, all those white stones, big chunk of them. As I had told you before, the Sylhet is, you find a lot of natural resources, gas, and all those industrial products and all those things. Another time I want to emphasize another important thing. That is, you come at Sylhet probably post-winter, post-rain. So there are plenty of waters and you can enjoy the greeneries more. The boat trip, the short boat trip we had to take to come at this place, it was enjoyable, but not as much as we would have during that rainy season. How much will it cost here? 1,500 taka to take that boat trip. They will bring you here and they will come. They will again take you from this place. You can ask them to come after 30 minutes, after 1 hour or something like that, right? So that's the thing. So this is the place, Whitestone. After that, we will go back to our road trip towards the Srimangol, another very interesting place in Sylhet. This place is known for all the tea gardens. So all that nice tea you have in the morning or during your work time, it probably comes from this small place called Sylhet, Srimangol. Alright, let's go and explore. My third day exploring Sylhet, Bangladesh. Right now, I am at Srimangol. For last 2 days, I have been exploring Sylhet. I have been to Jaflong, I have been to other Whitestone, the Bolaganj, took a boat trip. And right now, I'm standing in front of the resort I have taken in Srimangol, Bangladesh. You will find lots of good quality resorts depending on your choice and budget. You can find from tier 1 to tier 5 all this, there's 3 stars to 5 stars with amazing amenities and all the ambience. So there is no problem of getting a nice cozy with a swimming pool resort here in Sylhet. Today, this is my last day, final day at Sylhet, Bangladesh. Srimangol, the place of tea, place of lots of tea garden will be there. I'm exploring for a few hours and taking my car and with my friends, and then I will go and explore few of the areas where there are tea gardens and probably have different kinds of tea, and probably also take something for the home. Alright, let's go then, guys. Behind me, you see these tea plants. You will find lots of tea gardens like that all over the Sylhet, especially in Srimangol. Now, I told you guys before, even if you are living in Europe or Western countries, probably anywhere in the world, your tea is probably somewhere from here. Yes, it goes from India, the Darjeeling area as well. It also goes from here. And the tea quality is very nice. And I will take some of the teas from my home. So that's the thing. Before coming over here, I went to one place called Lawachora. This is a wildlife forest, you can say. There is lots of wildlife you can find. At the same time, you can also walk towards the forest. It can be a little bit, I would say, it was scary for me because I saw there is wildlife like monkeys, and even there could be a chance that there is snakes and all those things. So you can be a little bit cautious to go there. I was not the brave one, so I came back. So that's the place, Srimangol, tea plantations, tea gardens. You can come here and also take some teas for your family. The tea quality will be much better than the ones you will get from the supermarkets. So this is the last stop on my way back to Dhaka. That's it from my side. So see you next time, guys. Take care.